Calum's using the electric chair. Can you turn it on? Can you push the buttons? Can you push the buttons? Push the buttons. Whoa. Give me that. Push the buttons. Push the buttons. Can you push it? Can you push the button? Push the button. Not that one. Push the other button. There you go. Oh! Ooh, you like that, huh? Does that feel good? Ooh. You like it, huh? You push the button? Turn it on. Ooh. What is it? You done? Are you done?